So let's look at the combustion of pentane. Here's the formula for pentane, C5H12, and combustion always means reaction with oxygen, and when a hydrocarbon is combusted, we always form carbon dioxide and water. So let's balance our carbons first. I have 5 carbons on my reactant side. I need 5 carbons on my product side, so I'll put a coefficient of 5 in front of the carbon dioxide. Now my carbons are balanced. Now let's look at hydrogen. I have a 2 here. This really should be 12. To get 12 hydrogens on each side, I'm going to put a coefficient of 6 in front of my water. I now have 12 hydrogens on each side. Now I'm going to balance my oxygen. On my product side, I have 5 times 2, which is 10, plus 6 times 1, which is 6. 10 plus 6 is 16. So 8 times 2 is 16. I now have a balanced chemical equation. 1 mole of pentane reacts with 8 moles of oxygen to form 5 moles of carbon dioxide and 6 moles of water. So now let's look at the question. I need to figure out how many kilograms of carbon dioxide are produced when a tank full of gas, or 37 kilograms of pentane, is burned or combusted. So I'm actually not going to convert my kilograms to grams. I could do that, but I would end up multiplying by 1,000 and then dividing by 1,000, so it's going to end up being the same number. So I'm not going to change to kilograms. I'm just going to keep it in kilograms. I'm going to divide by my molar mass. The molar mass of pentane is 72.17 grams. When I divide by the molar mass, I end up with moles of pentane. And once I get moles of pentane, then I'm going to multiply by my mole ratio. I'm trying to find out about carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide goes in my numerator. I'm trying to cancel out pentane, so pentane goes in my denominator. And this ratio comes from the balanced chemical equation, which states I will produce 5 moles of carbon dioxide for every mole of pentane that is combusted. So my moles of pentane cancel out, and then I want to cancel out my moles of carbon dioxide because I want mass. So I'm going to multiply by my molar mass of carbon dioxide, which is 44 grams. So when I do that, I get 113 kilograms. And the next question says, well, how much will be produced in a year? If you use a tank every week, there are 52 weeks in a year, so 52 times 113 kilograms gives me 5,876 kilograms of carbon dioxide produced in a year if a gas tank is used every week and contains 37 kilograms of pentane.